chaos ruled the earth, the cry for dharma echoed. One heart still burned with purpose, a vow made in silence.
From the depths of time, the darkness returned.
Guess what? This entire video was made using just one line of text, full voiceover, background score, and it's absolutely free. This isn't Kling, this isn't HLO AI, this is Google Veo 3 Pro, and it's on a whole other level. And today, I'll show you how to get this premium tool for free for a full 15 months and make videos that can go viral overnight. Before I teach you how, let me prove it works. Boom! The video starts rendering in seconds with pro visuals, dramatic voice, and background music. And I got this from a single line. You can create mythology trailers, horror reels, motivational content, cartoons, fantasy, even love story edits. Step by step. How to unlock Google Veo 3 Pro. Step 1. Set up VPN. This offer is the US students only, but we'll trick the system. So here's what you do. Open Google Play Store. Search and install Mises browser. It supports Chrome extensions. Open the app. Tap 3 dots on the bottom right. Select extensions. Turn on developer mode. Tap Plus from store. Search Urban VPN Proxy. Tap Add to Chrome. Open extensions. Launch Urban VPN. Tap Agree. It'll default to US. Just tap Start VPN. Step 2. Open Google student offer page. With VPN on, now let's unlock the student deal. 1. Copy the student offer link from this video's bio. 2. Paste it into Mises browser. 3. It'll ask you to sign in with Gmail. But wait, if your Gmail isn't US based, the offer won't work. Step 3. Create a US Gmail account. Don't worry, we'll make one. Easy. 1. Tap Create New Personal Account. 2. Go through the usual steps, just like any Gmail sign up. 3. Once created, come back and sign in on the offer page. Tap Next, enter password, tap Next. Now you'll see Student Offer for US students. Tap Start Trial. Step 4. Fake.edu mail ID. Next step, they'll ask for a .edu email. But don't panic, I've got you. Copy the second link from the bio. For temp US mail, paste in browser. Tap Change Domain. Select usa.edu.pl. Tap Change. Copy the new mail ID and don't close the tab. Go back to Google Offer tab. Paste mail. Tap Verify. Now return to Temp Mail tab. Scroll down. Copy the OTP. Go back and paste OTP. Tap Submit. It'll now show you're eligible for Google AI Pro student discount. Step 5. Activate trial without paying. Now let's get that pro access. 3. Tap Continue. Tap Start Trial. Choose payment option. I chose card, you can pick any. Enter card details. Use a US zip code. Tap Save. Then tap Start Trial. Now you'll see Subscribe. Valid for 15 months. How to use Google Veo 3 to make AI videos. Now comes the fun part. Generating videos. Search for Google Flow Veo 3. Open Flow Google Labs. Tap Create with Flow. Sign in with your activated Gmail. Choose Preferences. Tap Next. Scroll down. Tap Continue. Tap New Project. You get 1,000 credits month. Let's not waste them. Smart settings to use. Set output to 1 because each output equals credits used. And be careful with model selection. Veo 2 is 10 to 20 credits. Veo 3 quality, 100 credits. Don't waste here. Best choice, Veo 3 fast with audio, 20 credits only. Now generate. 1. Type your prompt. 2. Tap Generate. In just 1 to minutes, your cinematic AI video is ready. Pro visuals, real voiceover, top-tier storytelling, bonus tips, viral niches to target, mythology, horror, modulation, gaming edits, love story dialogues. No camera, no mic, just smart prompts plus free AI. So now you know, one smart hack equals 15 months of insane content creation. Smash that like button if you found this valuable. Comment any questions, I reply to all. All links and ready-to-use prompts are are in my Telegram. Link in description. This is your boy from Mind to Muff, where your ideas turn into AI-powered machines.